In this video, we are going to see how we can add a workplace to our Facebook profile. So first of all, let's head over to the profile and click on the profile. Here it is. And if you want to add the workplace, all you have to do is just click on About tab. And if you scroll down where it says work, you click on this and you click on the work experience, or you can edit this existing one if you have already edited thing, or you can remove it. So click on the work experience, click on the company name. Let's say Upskill, position, senior editor. You can set the time period from, let's say 2024 January, and you currently work here, and city, town, and description can be set for this, and after that you can save it. You select the company name from the given list and you save it. After that, if you want to share it with your other people on the feed, you can share it, or otherwise click no. And that is how you can add your work experience in Facebook profile. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.